Sanibona bafowethu ninjani? Mina ngisase-right ngisasemnandi. Bafowethu ngifuna ukutshela lokhu ukuthi tribalism igcwele kakhulu, especially in Zulu communities. Because abanye abantu la bathi uPapa Peni uye wacala uNgizwe Mchunu. Bayahleka nokuhleka. So mara lento ngizibuza yona ukuthi uNgizwe Mchunu bathi upresident yamabhinca, ipresident angazi ukuthi president yani. Ipresident iphila ngenhlamba. Ipresident ithuka abantu. Ufundisana abantu abancane, ufundisana abantu abafisa ukufana nawe. Any interview uyathukana, anything wena uyalwa, anything hlangahlangene. Marothi public figure ufuna ukulungisa izwe enhlamba engaka. Ngibona abanye la bathi uPapa Peni phela uNgizwe Mchunu uye wacala lento. Uthuka wonke umuntu, uthuka boPapa Peni, uthuka Julius Malema. Ucula ngamashangana. So masithathe kanje, uma umshangana akacula ucula ngamaZulu, athi amaZulu Zulu fuck off, fuck off Zulu people. Nizoyithatha kanjani nini? Masithi uyaculwa elibhomba bathi fuck off, amaZulu fuck off. Nizoyithatha kanjani njengoba nihleka kanje? Nihleka because uNgizwe Mchunu uthuka uPapa Peni. I-tribalism ningayenzi lento eniyenzayo. Ningayenzi lento eniyenzayo. uNgizwe Mchunu abantu abaningi bayafisa ukufana naye, but any interview uyathukana and abanye bayahleka because ungumZulu uthuka ishangana.
Hayi bafowethu, everyday njalo nje. Mina nokubulisa ngisabulisi vele. Njalo nje njalo kuyohlezi kuyiyo le genge yamathawula le. Ngikhulumile le ndaba yamathawula le. Ukuthi abantu balamathawula lapha. Abantu abalamathawula nje abekho right. Abekho right kahle. Angazi yini ngesikhathi ngesikhathi uzalwa yena lo Ngizwe amakhondomu bekade angakafiki yini, ngoba hayi amanye ama-spams vele ungathi adeserve nje ekhondomini, kulahlelwe nje edotini nje. Amanye ama-spams was not supposed to be transformed into a human being. Into zokulahlwa udoti nje. Hayi madoda, kanti kusuke yiphi? Kusuke yiphi vele kahle umqondo usuke kusuka kwenzakalani ngomuntu. Yazi ne-SABC yasibangela inkinga ngokuxosha lo muntu lo, ngoba manje ungathi bamfake deep into depression. Lento ayikhulumayo akasayizwa nje, uvula umlomo nje noma kanjani. Hayi baba, awusimele kancane wena. Uqale lo yamama lo wadelela ukolonele le Natala le. Manje and yiyo lento yamathawula bekade ngikhuluma ngayo. Yibo labantu bamathawula bekade ngikhuluma ngayo. Nangu umunye uNgizwe wakhona manje. Hayi anishayiwe wena nangizwe. Anishayiwe, ngibona ngathi mhlawumbe ukuba umZulu enye into especial. Anishayiwe sidalo. Ngoba into eniyaziyo yiyo le bhamu. Anishayiwe nje ngezandla. Uyayifilela i-generations ekhulela phansi kwakho. Hayi abantwana bakho angisasho nje. Angibazi baphila impilo bani labakhona. Hayi uyisidwedwe sendoda wena, uyisidwedwe nje. Into yokulahlwa. Hayi wanda ikhondomu beyikuphi impela njengoba ngibuza nje. Amakhondomu vele bengakafiki ngesikhathi uzalwane. Ngoba ngabe asinayo le nkinga esinayo manje. Anisimeleni kancane ngabantu baseLimpopo, sinenzeni kangako. Into esiyenzile vele. Ngoba asihluphi umuntu. Asihluphi umuntu uthini. Kodwa njalo ngifuna uhlala niprovoka bona labantu abangahluphi abantu. abantu abanganankinga nabantu nje nifuna njalo lokhu nibahlokoloza ngoba bayenzeki. Sesifela nje ukuzilungela kwethu nokuthula kwethu ukuthi asikhulume. La kusinyela wena ngisho.
Sanibonani njani? Kunesigameko lesendekile lapha East London. Ongizwe emqunu wavela weva ukuthi kunema Nigeria ayinama colonization lapha bafuna ukuthatha East London by force bayende kuigwe babo lapha. Hey Nigerian, listen up. You know, go and do your Nollywood things there at Nigeria, and then we're gonna watch you from the TV. But you cannot come to South Africa and claim that you want to own the land, which is very completely wrong. And Konamaji, listen up. Gizwe Mkunu, thanks very much. I appreciate so much what you have done. Good when with your people just ran to East London after hearing good say Nigeria village of own this thing. And this been happening for a long time ago. Konamaji just wanna la all the complex, all the places have been owned by them. And they've been proud because they want to bring their wives and children, cows and chickens and everything to come and occupy the space. Chicken that's speaking Nigerian and goat that's speaking Nigerian language. Give them code, that's what you have done. What you have done is right. When they go about right, but the only thing lo emotional mungize mkuni ngiveka ngize mkuni. Egela kuthuka Penny is our father, is our grandfather, and Penny is our booty, is our brother. Penny. Gotta win a bit of respect, dash of respect to elder people. Why everything for no Mashangan? No matter Penny guys, I understand. I'm trying to talk about it because South Africans we know Mashangan ban pan. Is what we know in South Africa. Penny, we need to understand. Understand ungizwe mkhulu bekakhuluma ukuthi Shangan ukhuluma ngashangana sebush or aselipompo. No. Bekhuluma ukuthi sonke sathi ukuthi yela mashangana sikhuluma abantu ka Nigeria mashangana, maZimbabwe mashangana, Ethiopian mashangana. Even our white African people, they are Changanese because they are not coming from South Africa. Shangan people, we talk about people, another people. Tongas, you not Changan, you are Penny. When are you not a Changan, you are the Tonga. What a kind of South Africa. Ngizomku nkelu rectify the mistake. We don't want to fight each other with simple, stupid things like this. Something like this need to be corrected. Yeah, it need to be corrected. And Changanese, the people that from Mozambique, from Nigeria, from whoever there outside South Africa. But in South Africa, we do have Tongas. They're Tongas, they belong to us. Pushback Ridge and Mapetselo, Lipompo. So, Gizemkunu, please, my brother, I like you. You are my favorite person. I like you so much every day. Nyakumamela, uzuchele mapoisa, no matter for Zengan, but when them say for tech. And then if you're the judge, I like you, Mr. Mkunu. Contact and you're representing us, we as black people. Now, and you know, the Zulus, the people like that. Oshaka Zulu aside was Mapunetela and the newspaper side was on the account. And then now you Zulus people, you rectify the mistake. Now would say we want this country back. So MK and I'm because supporting with him. You know the Zulus when they want to do things, they will do it correctly. So and but they will do it hard. Our country is gone, but our country will come back now. Through Mkoto Sizwe. Through you, Ngizwe Mkunu, as you started. We respect you, Ngizwe Mkunu. We like you. We are our favorite, and we like Penny. We just two of you need to come together and apologize on both sides. Penny to apologize, and Ngizwe Mkunu, you have the first to apologize. I was not referring to Mashangane as South Africa. I was talking about Ukulumile. I remember, but just put it clear. We're talking about Mashangane from Nigeria, from Zimbabwe, from Maputo, from wherever there's a Changan. Even Europe, white people, they are the Changanese because they are foreigners. We as Zulus, we as Swazis, we as Gunis, we refer Mashangane foreigners. Foreigners in English and foreigners in English, but we Zulus are Machangan. I think Ungizwe Mkunu they got refer Guti who's Mashan Kulmangabo, Penny, whatever. Let us refer this mistake. Let's put together. We all Tongas. I'm a Tonga as well. We are from South Africa, but Changanese is the one that's coming from outside the country of South Africa. We know Papa Penny was born in South Africa. It's not the Changanese, it's a Tonga. You know, and Ngizwe, please, we need a dash of respect to the old people. Doesn't matter what wrong is done to you, but just a dash of respect so you can respect each other. South Africa needs to, Zulus, they got that respect. High very high respect when they talk to people. Zulus, they're respecting. They're a nation that respecting everybody. So Mngizo Mtunu, I know you get to respect, my friend. Please try to rectify that piece of mistake and put a dash of respect when you speak to the elder people. No matter mhlambe people they take bakunikeza the information the wrong way when I overreact or khuluma wrong, then we don't want that. We respect Mngizo Mtunu, we are following you and all the things. I know one day I'm gonna meet you. Please let there be peace be still to us as South Africans, especially Gunis, which include Ndebele, Swazi, Zulu, and Xhosa, they are Gunis, and then the Changanese, which is Mapedi, Maswati, and also on all the Mapedi, Matsonga, Mavenda. This is Shangani people, the other side, Tsongas, Tsongas. So we need a bit of respect. Ngizwe Mqunu, please, to Penny Pen. Now now we have to have a bit of respect to the young, so that the young and the old, they have to respect each other. Then we have the peace in our country. Peace be still amongst the two, the Zulu and the Changani. I know ukuthi akusimpi yamanje, impi yakudala lebo soshangane long time. It's like Israel, Iran. Impi mashangane maZulu is a long time war. So let us try to accommodate each other, because when you both fighting, then the problem.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Tonka people are coming for Ungezwe Mchunu ngengoma yabo labayiqule lapha eEast London lethiwe Mshangane suka endleleni. Le ngoma isusela umkhulu umsindo lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, yashiya amatsonga kwadile ukuthi kungani bacule ingoma lefana nalena. So when the video Papa Penny akhuta Ungizwe ukuthi akayekele kucelela amatsonga waye bacula ingoma lefana nalena, bahlangana phi bona, because bekuyoliwa neking lebekwe ngalungekho emthethweni eNigeria, then bebayiculela nengoma lefana nalena. Waphendula ke Ungizwe clapping back at uPapa Penny, washo ukuthi Baba Penny akaphume kuye umfunani kahle kahle uStabani senda ligoda likhwapha lakhe selimnukele kakhulu. So people are sad and people are angry ekutheni why Ungizwe athuke uPapa Penny wayazelele wayonke into yakhe afuna kuyisolva ngenhlamba. Yathi mina ngiyamangala cause Matsonga ungathi Mashangane abavumi ukuthi Mashangane, they always say bona Matsonga, but maseculwa ingoma ngeMashangane they catch feelings. Kahle kahle kuyakhonakala na. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.